National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, until 10:45 a.m. At 9:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coletta, or near Sterling, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Dixon, Mount Morris, Polo, Lost Nation, Grand Detour, and Woosung. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.